Hey guys, Wano here. You probably saw this video and thought, hey wait, Wano doesn't make videos like this? Well, this is how good these couch covers are from Touch's Signature. Yes, as you can see, this is a paid promotion, but that doesn't take away the fact that these couch covers really help and are amazing. I personally have couches that are always full of cat hair and dust. With these couch covers, pet hair doesn't stick, it's waterproof, it has a comfortable fabric and super easy to install. What more do you need? And what's the catch, you ask? Well, you have to be in South Africa. That is about it. I will put a link to the website in the description if you want to have a look at the different options. When you go to the website, all you have to do is click on the shop button, then filter the prices from low to high. After that, you can choose which one you like the most by pressing on the see options button. I personally like the all black couch cover. Then you click on the size you would like and the price should adjust accordingly. Then you proceed to checkout, fill in your home address, pay, and voila, plus minus 7 days later and you have received your brand new couch cover. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section down below. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, say thanks by clicking the like button and subscribing. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.